This video is sponsored by Access Competitions UK, the UK's #1 website for online raffling. If you're feeling lucky, then this is the site for you. They've got so many different competitions. If you head over, click the competitions tab, and you'll see a whole host of different competitions and raffles that they've got running. And if you look right there, you'll see my personally rebuilt and modified BMW E92 325i. This is the first ever Salvage Nation raffle. You'll be getting the car, all the mods, the private number plate, and guess what? You get £500 cash to go towards your insurance or to spend on whatever your heart desires. So guys, head on over to accesscompetitions.co.uk, have a little browse, take part, grab some tickets, and if you're feeling lucky, remember you need to be in it to win it. Don't forget, you can also check out Access Competitions on the Trustpilot website, and the live draw will be held on the 31st of July, where we'll be choosing one lucky winner, and then I'll be delivering my car plus the cash to that winner in person. Right, let's continue with the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. First of all, I bet you're thinking, why am I wearing this white suit? It's very dusty in the garage today and I'm just tired of getting dust all over my clothes, so I'm wearing some overalls. Anyway, we're back on the Porsche Boxster S. In the last episode, I stripped all the damage down and I found some more damage to the radiator carrier. Obviously the radiators were gone. Found some damage here and some other bits. Well, if you look in these boxes here, I've got a delivery of, this should be my radiator carrier and some other bits. This should be the wing panel and some other bits as well in the box. So for this episode, it's all about reassembling the car for what we've got, reassembling the radiator carrier. I'm gonna install the radiators, get some radiator fluid into the car. Hopefully I can start the car, run the engine, get it het up, make sure that there's no leaks. And if all of that is okay, then I'll move on to this bad boy, get the wing on, and hopefully we can get the car and just give it a little rip outside and see how it's going. But yeah, I'm happy with the car so far. I want you to tell me what you think of the build, what you think of the car, and what you think of everything that you're seeing on the channel thus far. Let me know in the comments down below. Right, let's get started. As you can see, this is the complete radiator and it's got the radiator carrier at the back. So I can fit all of this in one go. So I'm very happy about that. Let's get it on the car. there you have it, guys. I've gone ahead and I've fitted my new radiator carrier, new radiator, new AC condenser. I went ahead and went in the back. It's a mid-engine car, so there's no engine in the back or the front. The expansion tank is in the boot, which is a bit weird, but I've gone ahead and I've topped that up. So now I can start the car and check for any leaks. So let's do that. So guys, I've started it up. I'm gonna give it about half an hour to 45 minutes to really get up to temperature and check for any leaks or any issues with the install that I've just done. So I'll see you guys in about 45 minutes. Right guys, so my radiator is hot. I can feel the fan. You can hear the fan. So that fan's working. That fan's working. I've gone ahead and I've double checked that the whole system is circulating water. The fan here is working as well. And the other side is getting up to temperature, and the car sounds amazing. Since the car got delivered, there was no water in the system, so we weren't able to really get the car warmed up and revving it and just hear the engine properly. But yeah, sounds nice. Yeah. Can't wait to get this car on the road and see what it can do. So guys, now that the radiator is sorted, I'm happy with that. I've bled it, everything is good. Let's open up this box, see what's inside. I believe that's the wing. Get that onto the car, and then we can see the overall picture of the car is beginning to take shape. So let's do that. Guys, tell me what you think of this now. Let's check it out. I've gone ahead and I've fitted the wing. The radiator, as I said, is fine. Everything is fine, but let me step back, take a look at the car now. You can see everything starting to take shape. I'm gonna put the wheel back on soon. I'm gonna drop it. But before I do, if you remembered in the box, I got the plastic wheel liner. I'm gonna leave that for last. I like to put that on after I've sprayed and everything. And I've got some other shrouds and surrounds and stuff, but I'll do that at the end. I just want to fit the bumper and just give you guys a sneak peek of what it's going to look like. I'm not going to fully fit it, I just want to line it up, and then let's have a look of what it looks like with the replacement bumper. Take a look at that. Guys, it's starting to take shape. I know it's not completely done, but it's actually looking like a Porsche again. Have a look. New wing, I got my replacement bumper. I'm still waiting for the replacement headlight in the post, so I can't do much more. But the car's coming together nicely. The engine sounds good, and we should have this car back on the road in no time. So this is where we'll be ending this episode. Once the headlight comes in the post, I can get that fitted. I'm gonna tighten down everything on the wing. In the next episode, we're gonna really dig in to see why the roof isn't working. I really want the roof to work. Now that I know the engine is good, radiator is good, the wheels are good, suspension is good, the wing fits, everything is good. The next thing is the roof. I really want to do some work on the roof. Hopefully by then, the headlight would have come. I can then put everything in, get everything fully assembled, hopefully get the roof working, and then we can move on to bodywork and paint. So there's still a lot of work to do on this car. So if you're watching this and you want to know what's happening next, or if you just want to keep up with the rest of my builds, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And if you've enjoyed this episode, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Guys, don't forget, time is running out on the Salvage Nation raffle. We got limited tickets left. So head on over to Access Competitions UK, take part in the raffle. The live draw is gonna be on the 31st of July. And I'm trying to evolve and just grow with the channel and try to present you guys with the best content possible. So if you like that, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of everything in the comments down below. What do you think of the car? What do you think of I've got some new music on the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. I always try to respond to all my comments, but this is where we're gonna be ending it. So, like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.